Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to import Selenium Maven Project in Eclipse. Open Eclipse and ensure Maven is installed, then choose File Import Maven Existing Maven Projects. Point to the project root with a valid POM. XML, select Projects Found, click Finish, then right-click Project, Maven Update Project to download dependencies. Run test classes under src/test/java, fix build path or versions, and confirm Selenium tests execute successfully. Start by installing JDK and Eclipse, then configure Maven integration, M2E plugin. Make sure your Selenium dependencies are declared in POM. XML, including the browser driver managers or WebDriver binaries. Check Java build path, set correct Java compiler level, and confirm path or WebDriver locations for Chrome or Gecko. If using Git, clone the repository before import. Resolve version conflicts, then perform Maven Update Project to download all dependencies and compile the code. Go to File Import in Eclipse, select Maven Existing Maven Projects and click Next. Browse to the project folder with POM. XML, check the project modules listed, and click Finish to start the import. After import, right-click Project, choose Maven Update Project, and select Force Update of snapshots/releases if needed. Open src/test/java to run tests, or create a run configuration for JUnit or TestNG. Resolve any dependency.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.